Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Professor Sistrunk, and I'm reaching out to the student body. Okay, students, what I want to do is do another lab. I know that you already have completed this lab, but I want to do it to keep moving forward. One of the things I'm trying to do is make sure that you understand why you are doing the labs that you do. Now, of course, this lab is simple, so you know why you're doing it. And this lab is just basically setting up a computer. Now, in the tech industry, we have two setups. First setup will be the installation setup. Then the second setup will be actually placing the computer in the location that we want it to be. Some companies do it a different way, but that's the normal setup. So just remember, you got two setups. Now that's important because most techs will be doing this work. So I want to make sure if you're looking for an entry-level job in the IT industry, just knowing this is a helpful thing for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. Just a brief synopsis of what we're going through. You are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. You just received a new computer and you are in the process of setting it up for the office. Now remember, setting up for the office, setting up for the corporation is different from a home setup. They are similar, but when it comes to the installation process, it's a tad bit different. So let's go ahead and jump in here. Now, this takes a little time to build up, but I like to take this time to actually think about the entire process. Oh, this went really fast. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna look around because you already know how to look around and find things. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting things on the desktop. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the outlet because that's gonna play a major role in making sure everything is connected. And yes, I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. So we got the outlet set up. The next thing I'm gonna go ahead and get following this description here is I'm gonna go to input devices, get the keyboard. From the keyboard, I'm gonna get the mouse. And from the mouse, I'm gonna go ahead and get the speakers and put them down too. So we got the speakers down. As you can see, I just added those things to the desktop. Now, I have a monitor and printer in here. I'm gonna go ahead and get the monitor and printer. I'm gonna start with the monitor and drag that over. And as we can see, we have the monitor on the desktop. And then I'm gonna go get the printer and put that on there. Okay. Go over. Well, it looks like I made a little mistake, but I'm gonna do it again. And there go the printer. So we got the printer. So let's start from the back and go forward. Mouse, monitor, printer, and also speakers, keyboard, and we started with the power script. Okay, so everything is on the desktop. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the computer around. So I'm gonna look at the back part, and I'm just gonna go down here and just start turning a lot of things around just to make sure we can see all the particulars. For the keyboard, we only have this here. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect that keyboard right quick. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in one of these slots up here, and we got the keyboard connected. I'm gonna move down to the speakers. The speaker just got this little plug in right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that connector in. I'm gonna snatch that and come right here to the speaker, drop that in. That was successful too. I'm gonna move down some more, and then I'm gonna turn this monitor around. Let's look at the back of it. We got some ports here. Looks like we need some cables for this, so I'm gonna go ahead and look at the cables and pull down some cables. And for this, I'm gonna grab this here. That looks like a good connector for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this and drop it right there. And that went in. And I'm gonna take this, the plug, and put it into the outlet right here. Excellent. So we got that in there. So that's one thing right there. We got the monitor. It looks like we got a monitor cord here too. So I'm gonna go click on this here and see if this cord would go into here. And it did. And then I'm going to take the other end of the cord and go ahead and plug it into the computer. And it went in. Excellent. So now we have a monitor right here. And we're going to switch this around and see the outlets back there. Excellent. I'm going to grab this outlet and I'm going to take this and plug it in. And then I'm going to slide down here. Now, normally I wouldn't plug it in this way because, you know, that's backwards really. But since I'm doing it on here and I haven't turned anything on, I'm all good. I'm going to actually grab this here and then I'm going to put that in here. And it went. And then I'm going to go back to the PC and drop this in up here. And that worked too. So we got that connected too. Let's go down here and see if we missed anything. The mouse. Let's put that in. We're going to grab that. And we're going to go down here. And we're just going to take the mouse and put that in. And the mouse went in. So it looks like we put everything in. But I see a couple of more devices up here. So that means something is missing. One of them I know for sure. So we got the monitor. We got the printer. Okay, let's go ahead and just put in the network cord. So you know that this is a network cord. The first one I'm going to put in the computer. And the second one I'm going to put on the wall jack. And there we go. So we got that. Now I think we have everything connected. I'm just going to do a system check. Oh, no, we don't. We don't have the computer connected. So let's go ahead and get that cord. I knew that cord was sitting out there for a reason. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. And then I'm going to plug that right here. Okay, so we have everything connected now. So you see, this is real simple stuff, students. I'm going to send this email out to both classes because I want to get you guys geared up to understanding how to set this stuff up and make sure that everything is fine. I'm going to turn it on and see if everything is connected correctly. It looks like it is, but let's go check it. So I'm going to come here to the power button, click it. It says the computer is now on. And I'm going to come down here and check out the monitor and turn the monitor on right here. And there it is. Now, if it's on, I should be able to click on here and see the desktop. Let's close that. I should be able to click on here and see the desktop. And there we are. So we have everything connected. So students, I'm going to constantly run video logs to you, demonstrating the skill set of this work. This is a short video, but I want to get it out to both of you. I want my Linux students to see how the Windows world is set up. And I want my Windows students to see how the Linux world is set up. To see that you need to know both operating systems, people. Watch my videos. If you like it, please subscribe because I want to make sure I create more and more of these videos. So if you can subscribe, I will appreciate it. But with that being said, this is Professor Sistrunk, and I'll see you in the next video log.